I know it's not the most romantic way to spend Valentine's Day,
but Tiverton High School and Resource Futures are teaming up, and behind us a team of student volunteers are carrying out litter audit.
Bin bags full of rubbish were collected from each school department on Wednesday, and on February the 14th the Eco Club got intimate with the waste.
Don't get attached.
No, I like all
citizenship.
Okay, hold it away from your body, hold it up, take a reading on that one.
In order to carry out the audit, the litter from each bag was weighed before being emptied out onto the floor, before the team got waist-deep rummaging through the rubbish and dividing it into different categories.
Well, not right.
Okay, would you like to start sorting?
Yes, miss.
It's hoped that the Eco Club will raise awareness and encourage reducing, reusing, recycling, and to remind students and staff to put their own litter into the bin.
I personally would like us to work more with the students on site to stop littering. And once they've learnt to stop littering, then they can learn to think about where they're placing their waste in order to recycle more. This is actually a really hard day, and I'm really proud of the students who've helped us today, because actually the job here that you're doing is quite unpleasant, isn't it? Because you have to go through the school's waste and audit it and categorise it. This is definitely the hardest part of this project. So to start, the students that are here now I'm really proud of, and it's really nice to hear that some are enjoying it as well.
Devon County Council funded Resource Futures have been busy visiting schools across the region, helping them to become more sustainable and to revise on ethos and policy with regards to recycling. The team were impressed by the current level of litter here at TEHS, but hope to help the school lower its rubbish output.
I'm actually quite pleased that there wasn't as much as I expected, because last week we went to a secondary school, there was piles of rubbish, so this time it's a lot easier, wasn't it? And I think the rubbish was slightly cleaner as well, so it was a nicer type of rubbish than what we're used to. So I don't think they're too bad at all, really.
So what next for Tiverton High School's Eco Club?
I would say we need to come up with a really good campaign now for school. Yep, Eco Team need to be recognised around the school as people that can answer questions, guide the rest of the school to make a reduction in waste. Start to look at the litter, which is a big problem on the school grounds. Thinking about the packaging, food waste, which is already being addressed within the canteen. We need to think about plastic bottles as well, and metal drinks cans. That could be something that could be easily recycled by the trade recycling. So we need to pinpoint direct action points now and get the Eco Team inspired, fired up.
Paper.
So keep an eye out for the Eco Club. And why not come and join us in taking pride by making Tiverton High School a greener, more environmentally friendly place. Isabel Durrant
and Layla Bracken reporting for THN.